Hello, if you are in the search of an online certification course, free certification course, then this video is for you. Here I have mentioned the course from the Cisco Network Academy. So course name is Introduction to Cyber Security. So I have done this video in two parts. The first part is how to enroll, and the second part how to learn the subject and how to go through the certification. So let's start with the first part, where you will learn how to enroll, how to register yourself into the Network Academy page. So first of all, go to the Google, write the Network Academy, that is basically provided by the Cisco itself. So you will find the website like NetAcad. So go to the website NetAcad. Here you will not find any direct registration page, any direct sign up page. Any option is not available for the sign up. So follow the procedure. Go to the courses and then go to the all courses. Here you will find all the option like the level of a course. You can have the beginning, intermediate, advanced, the language, many languages are available, and then last topic. So various topic are available like security is there, packet tracer, business, networking itself, programming is also there. So you can select. So we'll move towards our topic, that is Introduction to Cyber Security. So first we'll go to the Learn More, where we will find the detail about the course. That is like what is the cost, what is the duration, what will be in the course. So all detail are here. We'll move to the sign up today. So here is the option for the sign up. Go to the English language. Your sign up page will be available. In this page you mention all your detail, your name, your last name, your email address. One CAPTCHA is given, so fill the CAPTCHA properly and then submit. Now you will get the one email in your email account which is mentioned over here. So that email is already sent. Go to the email account, find the email, and here the option of activate account is given. So click on that and you will direct it towards the new page where you can fill the data and you can activate your account. So fill the remaining detail like your country, region, do you have any company, then create your password, and then they will ask you want the email notification. So you can answer yes or no, there is no worry, and then do register. So after register you are getting the registered candidate. So now you have to re-login into the page. So your registration process is complete and you will automatically redirect it to the login page. So wait for some time and then you fill the detail. Yes, do the registration first again with the same email ID and password, and then take care while you are adding detail, because whatever the detail you are mentioning here, right, like your name, your surname, the same will be available in the certificate. So please take care in the name and last name, because that will be mentioned in the certificate. So fill here the remaining detail like a gender, your state, are you from whatever the state, do you have any work experience, do you have a disability. So fill all the detail carefully. No need to panic, this is just information. Your date of birth, and then create account. So you will directly move towards the main page where you are going to learn or start learning your course. So here is the main page where you can start learning, you can explore the data. So thank you. Do the registration and go to the second video part where you will get more detail. Thank you.